Do you want natural white teeth and fresh breath in just 3 days? This powerful morning wash will surprise you. Watch this video to the end to learn more on how to get a fresh breath, to also get a whiter teeth in just 3 days. You will stay confident, you will have a good breath, and thank me later. I'll be showing you some ingredients I use here, which are very natural. These are things you can get around you. Mixing them together, you obtain a very good result. So, in case you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I share beauty tips and health tips on this channel. As you can see, you can go through my videos. You will see lots and lots of important tips that will help you greatly. Consider subscribing for more tips like this. Also like this video, which is very important. Let's go on. First ingredient is baking soda. That is because baking soda whitens the teeth. It neutralizes acid in the mouth and also prevents bacterial growth that causes bad breath. In case you have not tried this, you just have to introduce it now if you're having any of that condition. So you must also get warm water. Warm water is very good for mixing. Okay, we're making for 1 glass. So when I'm listing the measurements, just know that that measurement is for only 1 glass. So in case you want to make more than 1 glass, you have to double the ingredients. So the next one is lemon juice. I have lemon juice from a can, but you can use the natural fruit like lemon juice itself. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent, brightens the teeth naturally, like not really like artificial, naturally. Prevents bacterial growth, it prevents toothache, it just prevents bacterial growth that causes those bad breaths. So you will have a fresh breath after this. Mixing it into this treatment will get you a better result. In case you don't have lemon juice, you can use apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar I love so much, and that is because you also do the work of lemon juice, but most times I prefer apple cider vinegar. It's not because I have a bad breath, but once in a while it's good for you to just wash, even if it's once in a week, to get a whiter teeth. It's very important. The next one is salt. Salt is very important. Adding it into your toothpaste when you're brushing or using it in this solution will help you a lot. Salt kills bacteria. It heals gum. If you have wounds in your gum or enamel, it helps greatly. It also reduces inflammation. If you have swollen gum or just name it, it helps greatly to calm it down. So when you get these 3 ingredients, baking soda, lemon or apple cider vinegar, then salt, works greatly to form this powerful treatment that when you use it as a wash, you obtain good results in 3 days. So this is how to mix properly. If you get 1 glass of warm water, make sure the water is warm, please. Then you have to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into the water, 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the water, and also add salt. Add a pinch of it. Do not add too much. A pinch of salt is all you need. Mix thoroughly. If you're adding apple cider vinegar, that means no need of lemon juice. The same quantity, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then after that, you have to pour some amount into your mouth. Then you have to gargle it like this, just within 30 seconds to 60 seconds. That is maximum of 1 minute. You spit it out. You take another one, gargle it for that period. You spit it out. You can do it like 3 times. Then you use a clean water to gargle once again and flush out. So do not swallow it, okay? Just rinse out with a clean water, and that is all. After that, you can go on and brush your teeth with your usual toothpaste. Just brush your teeth thoroughly. But this is the first wash before you brush your teeth. You will obtain very good results. Use it 2 or 3 times weekly, only to avoid enamel wear out. You don't want to have any issues with your gums or enamel. So 2 times or 3 times weekly is enough. Be consistent for better results. You will see your teeth getting brighter, getting whiter. And also those that have mouth odor or bad breaths, you will no longer have it again. Just make sure you gargle it and wash it out. So that is it. That is how to make use of this treatment. Just use it as I stated. Follow the instructions for better results. So that is it for now. This video will help you greatly. Do not skip it. you don't know what you're missing if you skip this video. And also do not forget to like this video. What is the essence of enjoying this video? Is very helpful, but you don't want to like it, just click the like button. Go on and subscribe in case you have not. I'll see you next time.